On your best behavior, boys.
Judge,
Yeah, this is Antone. Are you entertaining any PR bond requests in your position today?
Yes, but after we do this stuff.
Okay. Just need to know.
Okay, Mr. Hyde, you're going into the DA's lair.
Fine, thank you.
Where are you? There you are. Yes, Miss Thorne.
Yes, I just need to talk to my client now. I have a plea.
Okay, as soon as we have a room available, they'll tell me and I'll put you in it.
Okay. And I should have already done my paperwork, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
No, sir. Time check. 10:30. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hi, Miss Portillo. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Do you need to talk to the DA or your client?
I do need to talk to the DA, please, first, and then probably my client.
Yeah, I'll put you in line, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And since I got 4 months left, or something like that, this judge this whole thing on my parole, my sentence, I could be not having to go back. I could go back. Being paid or I had to say, I really find what I got. 4 months. Hours. We're not gonna keep this case over with time. I would kind of hope to see people work over there. Just get it dropped because if I go, yeah, it's not, the reason I'm asking is because when I go to the parole,
Yeah.
well, they already know the trial. But if they
Mr. Ross, you need to talk to the DA or your client?
might say, okay.
I just told you.
I'm sorry?
Mr. Ross, do you need to talk to the DA or your client?
My client, please.
Okay, as soon as there's a room open, I'll put you in it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Judge.
Yes.
So you have Thorne,
Yes.
Hayek, and Ross. Is that correct? Do you have you have somebody else?
We have people in line.
Jerry Valdez and Portillo
Yeah.
And Portillo, okay.
and Jerry Valdez. And Mr. Harkowitz.
Well, he's waiting for the DA.
Okay.
You want the key? Where are you going? Oh,
Judge, a little housekeeping on today's docket, Judge. The only person that I have off the docket is the second one down, Alan Hall. That case has
Right.
been dismissed, Judge. That's it.
Very good.
Because the reason I'm just saying that maybe I have a chance.
And Terry, just for my records, can you tell me exactly how many days in jail my client has? It's not going to matter because it's going to be judgment sat, but I just
20 and 23.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey guys, before we have pleas, y'all want to use the bench? Put Thorne's client there or not?
you tell me this?
Yeah, I need to get him to sign the paperwork, Judge.
I know, but y'all want to put a client in there right now?
Judge, give me a
Since
few
we don't have any
minutes.
pleas? You're looking at me.
No, I'm not
I
muted.
see you over there, deputy.
Ma'am.
Y'all want to put a client in there to go over paperwork?
Okay,
No, do you want to?
sure, we can.
Okay, let's put Thorne's client there where you are.
Okay.
That's Mr. Hussein.
Okay,
Judge, but we're on YouTube and it's gonna be viewed by everyone.
got
They
it.
can use the iPad. They have the iPad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Never mind.
It's, I mean, unless we move the bench to a breakout room.
No, don't worry about it. We're good.
Okay.
Never mind, Miss Thorne. I was trying to rush you on.
I
but-
understand. That's okay.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm zooming from home this morning, so I'm good.
Okay.
I'm chill.
All righty.
I love Zoom days. Yay.
Yep.
Hey, go. Just get up there like this. Tell Sarge to go to page 43.
Alex is my voice of reason.
Sorry, Judge.
No, it's good.
I mean, they should use the iPad, but I mean, that would take a deputy away from the inmates, so.
And there's a lot of people here today.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Or who couldn't figure out how to do it, so.
Oh, they could figure it out.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
so I put Rogelio Ortiz's other client in number 2. So as soon as one comes available, I'll put Sharon Thorne in an open one.
Sounds good. Just tell us.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, don't touch it. Spanish, Russian. All right, moving Thorne to 3, Judge.
All right. I'll put her in there.
What's your info?
Oh, you're already in 3, Sharon. Here you go. Brian, you're with the, oh, yeah, you're with the DA's office. No, you're the defender. Never mind. Do you need to talk to the DA or your clients, sir?
I need to talk to the state very quickly, see if we have a JSAT offer, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll put you in line, all right?
Okay.
No, Hussein, yeah. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now, you have keys to the door? Stairs, you got the ones upstairs, right? Remember it says stairs? Those are people that go here. You got the ones upstairs.
You don't have a key for the stairs?
Yeah, they're at your desk.
Okay. I'm gonna go take you down and let the intern down. Right
Yeah,
there.
those should be in the desk. Hey, check your desk, see if they're there.
So who has the key to the?
Ray has the key to the door.
I'm gonna take. Oh, no, you might. I should take that one. I'll just leave it right.
We're gonna be here. We're not gonna work.
Oh, I got the extra key.
Oh, yes, sir. Well, yeah.
I have to go. I told the corporal, I said, hey, I said the door been closed.
Okay, Mr. Harkowitz, you're going to 4.
Thank you, Judge.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Good, yeah.
don't touch.
Mr. Hayek, as soon as we get a room, we'll put you in it with your client, okay?
Well, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
They did decide what their schedule is for all the way down.
Ms. Fernandez, are you ready on your client?
Yes, Judge, ready for the plea on Mr. Tabib.
Okay, let's do a plea on Mr. Tabib.
Come here, sir.
I need to get the state, Judge.
Oh, yeah, they're conferring, but will you get them? Sounds good.
Want me to go get him, Judge? You want?
Yeah,
Right there, there you go. Right there, sir.
thanks, Terry. While we're waiting for the state, Mr. Tabib, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can lower your hand.
He's coming, Judge.
Okay. Pretty baby, Kelly. Pretty little baby.
Not so little. She, on her hind legs, she's about 5'2", and she's 1 year old, so she's very annoying.
No, she's a baby girl.
The next generation has no kids at all. They all have dogs and cats.
You gonna let me know?
Your Honor, this is Anton again. We have a plea bargain agreement on Marshall Hopkins. I just need people getting the paperwork ready, however that starts from.
Okay. Terry will help you with that in just a minute. I gotta do this plea first. And
You
then we'll
done?
get you-
Yeah, you're quick. All right, have a seat. Judge, before you start, I'm gonna put Antoine in 3.
There you go. Bye, Anton. 1 to 3.
Stephen Gettle. Who? Stephen Gettle.
Yeah.
Calm down, Miss Bill.
There he is.
All right,
All
sir.
right. Okay, Mr. Tabib, we're gonna start. 719-254, State of Texas versus Jason Tabib Jr. That's you, sir.
Yes.
All right. And for the record, he was previously sworn off camera, off record.
Are you done?
Sir, are you okay to do this today by video conference?
Yes, I am.
All right. And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
You've been charged with the offense of criminal trespass on private property. I know you want to enter a plea of no contest to this charge. I do need to go over your rights before we start. You have the right to remain silent. That means you don't have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial, the right to have your attorney cross-examine any witnesses, and the right to remain silent. By paperwork I'm looking at right now, it says that you want to give up those rights and you want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Yes.
So I'm asking you.
Who do we have for the state?
I'm sorry.
James Dykes on behalf of the state of Texas.
Okay, and for Mr. Tabib, who do we have?
Kelly Fernandez for Mr. Tabib.
I need a.
All right, Mr. Tabib, this is a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. If I don't follow your plea bargain, we'll stop this proceeding and you will go on like nothing happened. But if I do follow your plea bargain, you won't be able to appeal my decision, which means complain about it. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do understand.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, I am.
And Ms. Fernandez, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
I am, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Have you represented him more than 10 days?
I have.
All right, I'm going to accept his plea of no contest. And what's the agreement from the state?
Your Honor, agreement is going to be for 15 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this fully satisfy the judgment.
Is that your agreement, Ms. Fernandez?
It is, Judge.
All right, Mr. Tabib, I plan on following that agreement. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied on this criminal trespass case. What that means is this case is done. If you have no other holds, which I don't believe you do, then you should be released sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
All right.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ms. Fernandez. You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes. Get up. You want me to bring somebody?
Lauren should be next, Judge.
Okay.
Mr. Zach is here.
No, 851.
Who did you say was next, Terry?
Sharon Thorne, Judge, on,
Mr. Hussein.
who's, yeah,
All right, I see your hand, Mr. Paul. I'll get right to you.
yeah, he's up after Sharon.
Okay. We need Mr. Hussein for a plea.
Hussein?
Yes,
sir. Stand right there in front of the monitor, please. Yes, sir. Yeah, stand right there in front of the monitor. You see yourself on the camera? Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, stand right there, please.
All right, sir. This is 719-665, State of Texas versus Abdi Aziz Hussein. That is you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand. Who do we have for the state?
James Dykes on behalf of the state.
All right, and on behalf of Mr. Hussein?
Sharon Thorne, the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Hussein, you're okay for a video conference, right?
Sure. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
All
You
right,
kind of broke up there, Judge. I'm sorry.
that's okay. You're charged with the offense of criminal trespass. I know you want to enter a plea of no contest to the charge. Before we do that, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to a jury trial. I'm looking at paperwork that states you want to waive your right to a jury trial. You want me to go along with the plea bargain your attorneys worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Thorne, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you represented him more than 10 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I ask you how you plead to criminal trespass. Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. And what is the recommendation, please?
Your Honor, state recommends 5 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, a $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that time and money run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be fully satisfied as well, Your Honor. That was an agreement for 719-665. In consideration, state is going to dismiss 719-301.
Ms. Thorne, is that your agreement?
That is, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hussein, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. That means that your judgment is satisfied. Both your cases have now been taken care of, one by dismissal, one by your plea, and a conviction on criminal trespass. If you don't have any other holds, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck. You don't have a right to appeal my decision, but good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. May be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, we have Mr. Paltz next. What's that? Augustine Meyer.
Yes, Judge. I spoke with my client and then I needed to talk with the state, but I messaged him directly and he's answered a question. So we're ready to proceed with the plea.
Okay, we just need Mr. Meyer up.
Meyer. Mr. Meyer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Throw your gloves right there. Throw your gloves. Sorry. Stand right.
All right,
And
Mr.
Judge, if I
Meyer.
could,
Yes.
I just want to let Mr. Meyer know that Mr. Meyer, I spoke with the state concerning what you and I talked about. And we're going to go ahead and move forward with the plea. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. 719-157, State of Texas versus Augustine Meyer. Sir, you're charged with the offense of failure to ID.
There's something wrong with that voice.
I'm sorry.
I think he said he couldn't hear you, Judge.
Oh. All right. Can you hear me now, Mr. Meyer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sorry. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you consenting to do this by video conference?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, failure to ID is a Class B, right?
Okay.
He
hasn't been sworn in, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Dykes, is it Class B?
Let me see. I believe it's a Class B, Your Honor.
Okay, I do too. So you could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine and up to 6 months in jail. That's the full range of punishment. Could you raise your right hand, Mr. Meyer? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am. I sure have got it.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Who do we have for the state?
James Dykes on behalf of the state.
And on behalf of Mr. Meyer.
Adam Paltz.
Okay, Mr. Meyer, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. Your attorney can cross-examine any witnesses at a jury trial. Looks to me like you're waiving those rights. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
And I think I asked you, but I'm asking you again just in case. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay. Mr. Paltz, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Have you represented him longer than 10 days?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Mr. Meyer, to the offense of failure to ID, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
Can I plead not guilty? I mean, non-contest or whatever it means. It still means I'm guilty, right? Oh,
Yeah.
But whatever my lawyer says, I agree. 'Cause I
And
don't-
Judge, I wanted to correct the paperwork. I had initially marked guilty, but he would like to plead no contest.
Okay, I'll put that in the
And the
judgment
two more times, I put it on.
paperwork.
Thank you, Judge.
I
So
agree.
I'll accept your plea of no contest, sir. I'm going to find you guilty, however, as you
Yes.
just said, and state what's the agreement.
Your Honor, agreement is going to be for 10 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that time and money run concurrent. We ask as well that the judgment be fully satisfied.
That's your understanding, Mr. Pauls?
Yes, Judge.
Right, Mr. Meyer, I'm gonna follow your plea bargain.
No.
So your judgment is satisfied on this failure to ID. You should be released if you're not, don't have a hold on you sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
And Judge, Mr. Meyer and myself have discussed, he does have an additional hold for a blue warrant.
Okay,
And he's aware of that.
okay. So you can move on to your next step. Okay, right, sir?
All right. That sounds good, Judge.
Okay. Y'all, thank you very much. Y'all are
Thank you.
excused.
Yeah, have a good day. Happy
Bye,
day.
Mr. Meyer, you too.
You too, sir.
Okay, we got Mr. Dykes. Well, we got a couple more pleas, I think, ready.
Yeah, I have Mr. Rogelio Ortiz. I don't know if he's ready on both his cases or not.
They're both ready, Terry.
Okay, got it.
Let's
Jerry,
do Tracy Foreman first, then.
Actually, Your Honor, on Miss Wendy Sabrina Miles, she signed the documents for one of those, but she's got two cases pending. I still need her signature on the second case.
The other one's
Okay,
done, Your Honor, Counselor.
Okay, great. Then we're ready to proceed on both of those.
Okay, let's do Tracy Foreman first.
Ms. Foreman. Tracy, ma'am, come here, please.
As soon as we do these two, I'll send the DA back to his orders and let y'all start talking.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Foreman, this is 718-964, State of Texas versus Tracy Foreman. Raise your right hand for me.
Yes, ma'am.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand.
Okay.
Do we have for the state?
James Dykes on behalf of the state of Texas.
On behalf of Ms. Foreman?
Rogelio Ortiz on behalf of Miss Tracy Foreman.
All right. Ms. Foreman, before we go toward the plea, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial. I'm looking at paperwork that states you want to give up your right to a jury trial. You want me to follow that plea bargain your attorney worked out. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment. If I don't follow your plea bargain, I'll let you withdraw your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Ortiz, are you satisfied your client, Ms. Foreman, is mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She certainly has.
And you've represented her more than 10 days.
I have, Your Honor.
Ms. Foreman, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. What's the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for 34 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrent. And we ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
And that's your understanding, Mr. Ortiz?
Your Honor, that's exactly my understanding of the agreement.
Okay, Ms. Foreman, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied on this criminal trespass case. And if you have no other hold, release sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good luck.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we'll do Miss Wendy Sabrina Miles.
So
Miles, Wendy.
You can do this, but I marked them out, right?
Okay, okay, okay. I didn't know what it meant. I thought he was confused. No, okay.
So they need my signature on the second page.
We already took care of it. Come here, right here.
Oh, you already signed
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
All right, you are Wendy Sabrina Miles.
Correct.
Okay. So you're here on two cases, but we're going forward on both, but we're actually just going forward on a plea on one. 719297. Raise your right hand for me, Ms. Miles.
Okay.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Actually, it looks like we are going through on both. I just got the paperwork on the other one.
Okay.
Okay. So it's also 719296. Assault, bodily injury. Who do we have in state?
James Dykes, Your Honor, I just wanted to clarify something. My notes indicate a plea to 719296 and that the state would TIC 719297.
Thank you for clearing that up. You can put your hand down, Ms. Miles. All right. And who do we have for Ms. Miles?
Rogelio Ortiz on behalf of Wendy Sabrina Miles.
All right. Ms. Miles, before we go into the plea, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial in this case. Your attorney can ask questions of any witnesses. I'm looking at paperwork that states you do not want a jury trial in this case. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorneys worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Ortiz, do you believe your client's mentally competent?
Feel that
Do you
she
believe
is,
okay. Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She has.
Then to the charge of assault, bodily injury, Miss Miles, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest and find you guilty at this time. What's the agreement from the state?
Your Honor, the agreement in this case is for 29 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that time and money run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be fully satisfied. In addition, state will take into consideration cause number 719297.
Mr. Ortiz, that's your agreement?
That's exactly our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Miles, I intend on following that plea bargain. Therefore, on the assault bodily injury case, your judgment is satisfied and criminal trespass has been dismissed. If you have no other holds, you should be released today or tomorrow, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
Mr. Ortiz,
Yes.
the other client's in two.
Okay, thank you.
I'll put you back in, I'll put you in two.
He's got
you're already in.
Elena Hubbard, Judge. And we need to get to some housekeeping, Judge. Okay.
Okay, let's put the DA go back to 4. And I bet Mr. Arnett's been waiting. Well, who's next? Mr. Arnett, I think.
Yes, and Jerry, did you do your paperwork or are you ready or you need to talk to the state?
No, we're ready to go on that. We have judgment sat and he's signed his paperwork.
Excellent.
And
Okay.
226 is calling me right now, and so is 13. So
Okay, we'll get you done. Tony,
Okay,
whenever
Mr. Dykes, don't leave, then we're gonna do his real quick so that he can go.
Hey, am I putting Mr. Arnett in one?
Okay, Valdez.
I think he needs to confer with the state. Where did he go? No, we're gonna talk to the state. Just hold on, Alex.
Okay.
Okay, we need Orlando Godinez.
Godinez, come on, buddy.
and Judge Godinez is his charge is evading arrest, but for some reason his name came up on the charge on the offense.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Godinez, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Lower your hand, sir. This is 718302, State of Texas versus Orlando Godinez. Let's see. Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes.
You're charged with the offense of, what is it? Evading arrest. I see what you're talking about, Mr. Valdez. You're charged with the offense of evading arrest. It's a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine, up to 1 year in jail. That's the full range of punishment, Mr. Godinez. That's not what you're getting. If I don't follow your plea bargain, I'm going to let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain about my decision. Do you understand that, sir? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I think I asked you already. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Mr. Valdez?
Yes, Your Honor, he is.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you represented him more than 10 days?
I have, Judge.
How do you plead to the offense of evading arrest, Mr. Godinez? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I'm going to find you guilty. What's the agreement from the state?
Your Honor, agreement is for 40 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrent. We ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
That's your understanding? Mr. Valdez, that's your understanding?
That is the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Godinez, I'm going to follow the plea bargain, give you 40 days, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. Your judgment is satisfied. You can now move on to take care of your out of county hold. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay, you can appeal my decision. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, now, Mr. Dykes, go ahead and go to 4, and then Terry and I have some housekeeping, and then we'll start back up in a minute.
Yeah, the next plea is going to be Mr. Harkowitz. He's ready as well, Judge.
Mr. Arnett still needs to talk to the DA.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm gonna send him in real quick.
And I think Brian O'Donnell does too. And Tony, your paperwork is at the jail. I got your paperwork. It's at the jail. So as soon as you get in there, you can talk to your client. Just give us a moment. To Tony, are you ready to talk to your client?
Which client? Garrett's paperwork should be there for the court.
Okay.
Garrett's here.
And Marshall, I could talk to him, just go over the paperwork.
Okay, I'm gonna have the document.
He's amenable to the plea.
Because we got some breakout rooms available, Judge. If
Let's be breaking out.
Okay, what's show me a finger count where you want me to put them.
Well, Tony was already in 3, Judge.
Okay, just rejoin 3, Tony.
Okay.
And I'll let the bailiffs know your client's in 3.
Thank you.
And let's see who else.
Approach. This is Brian O'Donnell. I have an offer now, so I'd be ready to talk to my client, Mr.
Okay.
Gillespie.
Okay, he can. Brian can go to 1, Judge. That one's open, I think.
Okay, Brian, I'm gonna put you in 1.
Thank you.
I'll go let the. Yeah, 1. Okay, 1.
Thank
And Tony's going to 3. Let me let the bailiffs know, Judge. I'll be right back.
Thank you very much. Mary, you want to talk to the DA or your client?
My client.
All right. 1 second. I'll put you in. Okay.
You need now, sir.
Hopkins, put him in 3 for Tony Hayek.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put in 1, you're gonna put Brian O'Donnell Gillespie in 1. And that's all we have open, right?
Mr. Lopez, Brandon, do you need to talk to the DA or your client?
DA, Your Honor.
Okay. Just 1 minute. There's a couple of people in his room. I'll put you in there as soon as I can, okay?
Thank you.
And Ms. Hernandez, same question.
Good morning, Your Honor. To my client, please.
Okay, as soon as the room's available, we'll put you in there, okay?
Thank you.
Judge, may I put the people that are ready to see their clients in a room together, just so it's more
Please.
organized?
That would be great.
Okay, and can you let us take over as far as like who's assigned and where?
I thought you already were. You're not?
No, I'm not. I'm letting you decide, but I mean, I can do it behind the scenes so you can just concentrate on the plea.
I would much rather do that. Thank you.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I'll offer to do that for you.
I'm doing that already, Judge. I put Brian in 1. We have all the breakout rooms full, Judge, so. Alex is asking me, Ramirez is asking me who's next, Judge, and I'm taking, I'm letting
We'll
them.
do it so you can focus on that, Judge.
Yeah,
Thank you.
okay. All right.
I put everyone, the people she just let in 6.
Okay.
Okay. And then Miss Portillo and Mr. Arnett wanted to confer with the state. So they're the ones that are up next for
Right,
breakout.
okay, yeah, I have my list.
Okay, sounds
written down
good.
here.
I'll let you take over.
Okay, and Mr. Ortiz, you're ready on Hubbard?
Actually, it appears that Miss Hubbard is not prepared to enter a plea this morning, so I'll go ahead and meet with her a little bit later and perhaps file a motion to have her bond reduced.
Okay, do you want me to send this back as no agreement, or you want to set for trial?
If we could get a trial setting at this time.
Okay, I'll set for, I send my doctors to the court, so they'll know what to set these for, so I'll set this for trial.
Okay, thank you.
Who do you want in 3, Terry?
Okay, well, Brandon, let's see, I guess, Mr. Ross, are you ready for a plea? Or he just come in? Let's see. Let's see, Pauline, I guess, I know Miss Peters.
He's in 6, Terry.
All right,
Do you want to just, I'll send him to 3 and just have his.
He was waiting for the DA.
Yeah, he was waiting for the DA. The only ones that were not waiting for a DA, I think, was Miss Petersak, and I think she came in first. I don't think she needs to talk to the state, does she?
No, just her client.
Okay. Ramirez, what do you want me to tell you who's next? Ramirez?
2's open.
2's open. Put Wagner in 2.
All right.
Ms. Alcantara, is there anything else that you need from me?
Hey.
I don't think so, Mr. Ortiz. You already did all your pleas. Am I right?
That's correct.
Okay. I
Thank you.
guess the judge will we'll see you next time.
You're free to go, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
You give me all those guys in a circle. We're gonna sit there and act like a CPS worker.
Here.
There's enough that I'm doing everything else.
Oh, yes, I know. I need to take it off my shoulder. I'm not Captain Morgan. I'm not Captain Morgan. Here, guys. You guys have a seat, those blue chairs, all the way at the end. Yes, have a seat in front of him. You're gonna sit at the next table next to him. Have a seat at the blue table. Have a seat at the blue table. Thank you, Mr. Gill.
And Mr. Harkowitz, I have your paperwork. I just need the DA. He's busy right now.
Yes, Your Honor, whenever you're ready.
Okay, sir.
Let's be on camera.
Don't go. Take one with you.
Okay, thanks. Wagner?
I already had
Hopkins? Watch Hopkins. Is it still showing up? Got one guy. Pass the key.
Hello, can I please get a breakout room with my client, Mr. Dennis?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Hold on, Jerry.
Perry, do we have a breakout room open?
I don't think so, Judge. Brian
Okay.
O'Donnell's in one, Peter Zach in two, and I don't understand why there's two two attorneys in three. I didn't do that. I think, let me go tell Mr. Ross that, I don't know who put him there, but we'll see. Let me ask him.
Okay, and then whenever we're ready, Mr. Arnett's ready to talk to his client when we have an open room.
Okay, well, we got it. Okay, and Ryan Arnett goes, okay, got it, Judge. Now, do we talk to Mr. Lopez and Ms. Deidre Hernandez? Do they need to talk to the state, or they can go straight to talk to their client?
Which ones?
Brandon Lopez.
Brandon needed to, let me see, DA.
Okay, and Deidre Hernandez also, Judge?
No, just her client.
Okay, got it, Judge. Got it.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah, give me just a minute. When you get back to the annex.
What? Oh.
Hey, not right now.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Can I talk to the judge again?
No. They sent you for a jury trial.
Yeah. I hope I can get my clothes today. Can I get my clothes today? No, I'm thinking about when I go into the room and stuff. Can I get my clothes on? Can I have my clothes on? Can I put on my clothes? Can I get in this room? Can you give me my clothes back? I'm talking about in the on the seventh floor. I have clothes, yeah, they said.
Right, I don't know what's. Yeah, let me get it. Good. Come back. Yeah. We haven't received anything. You signed everything already? Yeah.
While there's a lull, I just wanted to go ahead and give the court notice that I don't think that there's going to be a plea on Mr. Dennis today after talking to the state, just due to the circumstances of his case, I was going to ask for him to be reset for a week from today.
1 week.
1 week. All right. That'll be the 16th of November.
Correct.
Is that all right, Judge?
That's fine with me.
Okay, we'll see you. I'll send you notice, Mr. Arnett.
Okay, I'd still like to talk to him today if possible, in the breakout room. Just to
Okay.
let him know what's going on.
What's up?
All the breakout rooms are full, Mr. Arnett. Can you hold
Right,
on? a
yeah,
moment?
no, just whenever. Yeah,
Okay.
no rush. I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of notice.
Thank you.
Actually, one just opened, Mr. Arnett. Let me put you in there real quick so you can talk to him. I'll let the bailiff know. Just go to, I'll put
Okay.
you
Thank you very much.
in. All right, Judge, the state is back. Mr. Harkowitz is ready.
All right. We need Mark Skameka. For a plea. Mark Skameka.
It's an MTR, Your Honor.
Oh, we still need him though.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we get Skameka to the bench, please?
Skameka up here.
All right, Mr. Skameka, this is 694-357. You're charged with violating your probation on a burglary of a motor vehicle. Who do we have for the state? We have James Dykes for the state.
Yes,
For
Your
Mr. Skameka, we have Mr. Harkowitz, Stephen Harkowitz. Raise your right hand for me, Mr. I'll just say Mark. It's easier. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand. What are you going forward on, state, on his MTR?
Your Honor, we've discussed just amending and basically doing a JSAT.
Okay. So let me talk to you about your rights before we do that, Mr. Skameka. You have the right to have a hearing in this case in front of the judge. And but it looks like you're waiving those rights and you want to go forward today. And you want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorneys worked out with the state. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and let Mr. Dykes tell us what's the deal. What's your plea bargain?
Your Honor, we're going to do a JSAT for 10 days confinement, Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrent. We ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
Okay, before I revoke you, what number are we going to go forward on?
I think there's only one. And
Okay, what
James,
is
we
it?
had talked about, he's got 27 days credit.
27 days credit. All right, 27 days credit. My bad. Sorry.
So what number is the only one? I don't have that in front of me, Mr. Harkowitz.
It should be 694357, right?
No, the number on the MTR.
Oh,
It's violation of condition number 4, Your Honor.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
So on the violation of condition number 4, are you pleading true, Mr. Skameka?
Yes.
I'm going to find it true. I will revoke your probation, but sentence you to a JSAT. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied, sir. You are off probation. You do have the conviction, and if you have nothing further than this judgment is satisfied, you should be released today or tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Harkowitz.
Stephen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Stephen.
Okay.
1-3.
You knew what I was talking about, Alex.
Yes, they did.
Okay, I have a couple of attorneys in here, so let's see what I have. Brian O'Donnell, do I have paperwork? We need Cameron Gillespie.
Gillespie.
Judge, I wasn't paying attention on Harkowitz. Judge, did we JSAT him?
Yes, 27 days.
27 days. Thank you, Judge. Okay.
Revoked
And
his
I'm-
probation. All right, sir, this is 718-763, State of Texas versus Cameron Eric Gillespie. Raise your right hand for me, sir. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand. Who do we have for this state? You can put your hand
James,
up.
James Dykes on behalf of the state.
And on behalf of Mr. Gillespie?
Brian O'Donnell, Assistant Public Defender.
All right. So you're charged with the offense of criminal trespass, a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment. However, if I don't follow your plea bargain, I'll let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain about my decision. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're waiving your right to a jury trial today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Mr. O'Donnell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gillespie, to the charge of criminal trespass, do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. State, what's the agree and find you guilty? What's the agreement, state?
Your Honor, agreement is for 29 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that time and money run concurrent. We ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
And Mr. O'Donnell, is that your agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gillespie, I plan on following that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied on this criminal trespass case. You do have a conviction. However, if you have no other holds, you should be released today or tomorrow, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be
You're a
excused?
very happy man. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, State.
See you next time, Brian.
Eric.
Go ahead, Alex.
So or Mr. Hayek, can you answer a question for me? Is the marshal going to plea on this case?
Yes.
Okay, he didn't fill anything out on his paperwork.
Yeah, we did.
Did he?
I have Mr. Guetta's paperwork.
Do you have Hopkins by chance, Marshall?
I do have Hopkins paperwork.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's do Hopkins first then.
Hopkins, come here. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Hopkins, raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand, sir. 701-593, State of Texas versus Marshall Steve Hopkins. Who do we have for the state?
James Dykes on behalf of the state of Texas.
And on behalf-
for the citizen accused.
All right. Okay, Mr. Hopkins, you've been charged with the offense of criminal trespass. Looks like you want to enter a plea in this case, but before you do, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at your paperwork, you want to give up your right to a jury trial. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorneys worked out with the state. Is that right, Mr. Hopkins?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes.
Mr. Hayek, do you believe your client's mentally competent?
I do so believe, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Mr. Hopkins, to the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. What is the plea bargain, Mr. Dykes?
Your Honor, 5 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that time and money run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
Mr. Hayek, is that?
That's our agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hopkins, I intend on following that plea bargain. Therefore, you're going to get credit for all the time you've served against your 5 days. I think you've served 12. Time and money to run concurrent, and therefore your judgment satisfied. I don't believe you have any other holds, so you should be able to be released today or tomorrow, sir.
Good. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good luck to you, sir.
Good luck, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Let's do Stephen Guetta.
Get on, Steven. Cameron Gillespie?
Yes. All right, Mr. Guerra, raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, sir. Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
All right, 706084, State of Texas versus Stephen R. Guerra. We have James Dykes for the state. We have Anton Hayek for Mr. Guerra. You are charged with the offense of disorderly conduct, sir. That is a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment. So if I didn't follow your plea bargain, I'd let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with this plea bargain, you will be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
And you're waiving your right to a jury trial, correct?
Correct.
Last questions you have.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
I am very satisfied. Thank you.
Great, thank you. Mr. Hayek, do you feel that Mr. Guerra is mentally competent?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Is he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
We've discussed this case as best we could, yes.
All right, and you've represented him more than 10 days, correct?
Oh, yes, correct.
Then, Mr. Guerra, how do you plead to disorderly conduct? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I'll accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. Mr. Dykes, what is the agreement, sir, on Mr. Guerra?
Your Honor, the agreement is for 12 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that time and money run concurrent. We ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
That's our agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Guerra, I intend on following that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied. And I don't see any more holds, so you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Thank you very much, ma'am.
All right, good luck.
Have a blessed day.
You too. Bye-bye.
May I be excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody.
Bye. Looks like Brian Wagner.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge?
Yeah.
Can you send the breakout room back to number 2? Because the gentleman who was on there knocked it off. Come here, sir.
We what? Oh, okay. Hold on. Breakout room.
That was my fault.
I'm not in control, so Alex, I'll let you do that. Oh, where is she?
What are we doing, Judge?
Supposedly they want us to open up number 2 again. See, he's on the screen and we need to send him back to 2.
No. I need the breakout room back in room number 2.
Right. I'm asking Alex to do it.
Oh, it isn't to Alex. You just need to join. Go to the more button. Here, let me maneuver it real quick. And then, Your Honor, Mr. Lopez wants to confer with the state.
All right, there you are.
If there's a break.
Okay, there will be a break right after this plea.
Okay, there you go, Brandon.
So, Mr. Lopez, I'll get you there in just a minute, okay? All right, Mr. Wagner, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can lower your hand.
Yes, forgot.
706961, State of Texas versus Brandon Wagner. So let's see. You are charged with the offense of evading arrest or detention. I understand you want to enter a plea of no contest. Before we do so, I need to talk about your rights. We have James Dykes for the state, and say your full name, Miss Mary.
Mary Peters X for the defense.
All right, thank you. Okay, this is a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's the full range of punishment. However, if I don't follow your plea bargain, I'll let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you waiving your right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, I am.
Are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, he has.
And you represented him more than 10 days, right?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
All right, Mr. Wagner, to the offense of evading arrest, you want to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest, sir. I am going to find you guilty. What's the agreement, Mr. Dykes?
Your Honor, the agreement is for 45 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrent. We ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
And is that your agreement, Ms. Beatrix?
Yes, Your Honor, that's our agreement. We ask that the court follow the agreement.
Okay, Mr. Wagner, I intend on following the plea bargain. Therefore, I'm going to give you judgment satisfied, 45 days, credit for the time you've served, time and money to run concurrent. If you have no other holds, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, sir. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. That was my only case on your docket this morning. May I be excused?
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Okay, we got a little break. Mr. Dykes, go back to 4. We'll put Brandon in there with you. That was fast.
Brandon, your client's in 2.
Perfect. Thank you. Jumping
You're
over.
welcome. Okay.
Coming on.
Okay. Hello. Hey, good morning.
Yes, Your Honor, on that one, there was already an offer made. I just need to send off the discovery.
Oh, okay.
That's, how many days do I have?
And if you could just make a note, Mr. Dykes, about the Hussein dismissal and Miles.
Hussein and Miles?
Yes.
Okay, Your Honor. Dismissal. I have to send dismissals because they got TIC. I thought that I already sent one of them, but let me check.
You might have. Oh, you did send one.
Was it the Hussein one that I sent, I think?
You did. You sent the Hussein one.
Okay, Your Honor, I'll send you that other one in just a sec.
That's fine.
How are you doing today? Not good? Not good.
I'm really fucking playing that fucking turn some shit on. I'm not letting you get that. I'm not letting you get out. Where everybody now damn shit. I'm some mystery shit. So you're wasting my time bringing me all the way down here for nothing. I'm telling me and then you give me one motherfucking sandwich every time I come up in this bitch. Okay, I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you very much. And thank you for your time. All right, but just thank you for everything. Okay.
Mr. Ross, you ready?
Okay, you have to wait till somebody else shows up.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I was muted.
That's okay. We need Jesse Aguilar, please.
Sit down.
She wanted to see you. That's what
No,
I've been waiting
sit down.
for. What she said. I've been trying to tell you that. Jesse,
Aguilar?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Aguilar. This is 719-743, State of Texas versus Jesse Aguilar. That's you, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this clause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. We have James Dykes for the state, Jonathan Ross for Mr. Aguilar. Sir, you're charged with the offense of false ID as a fugitive. I know you want to enter a plea of no contest. Before I accept that plea, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial in this case. Make the state prove this case against you beyond a reasonable doubt. Your attorney can ask questions to any witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at your paperwork, you do not want to have a jury trial in this case. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney's worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, I am.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
All right. Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Mr. Ross?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Very well, Your Honor.
Have you represented him longer than 10 days?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mr. Aguilar, to the offense of failure to ID, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest, sir?
No contest, Judge.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. Mr. Dykes, what is the plea bargain?
It's for 22 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrently. And we ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
And is that your understanding, Mr. Ross?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then Mr. Aguilar, I intend on following that plea bargain. Therefore, you do not have a right to appeal my decision. I don't see any holds on you. So you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, sir.
Thank you very much, Judge. Appreciate it.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Ross. You're excused.
Thank you, Mr. Ross. Thank you.
Okay, we've got Gilbert Perez.
Perez.
All right. That was wrong. It's Humberto. Are you Humberto Cortez, sir? Cortez? What's your name, sir?
Perez.
Okay, I called the wrong name. I'm sorry, deputies. I need Humberto Cortez.
Humberto Cortez. That's me.
You want Cortez?
Yes, I called the wrong name. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
In the gun. All right. This is 715-892, State of Texas versus Humberto Cortez. That's you, correct, sir?
Yes, good morning.
Raise your right hand for me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand.
Okay.
Before we go into the plea, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial in this case. And your attorney could ask questions of any witnesses. I'm looking at paperwork here that tells me you do not want to have a jury trial. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney's worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. We have James Dykes for the state. We have Brandon Lopez for Mr. Cortez. You're charged with the offense, Mr. Cortez, of assault bodily injury. That's a Class A misdemeanor. The full range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. If I don't follow your plea bargain, however, I'll let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain about my decision. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, yes.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, I am.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Mr. Lopez, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
And you've represented him more than 10 days.
Correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Cortez, how do you plead to assault bodily injury? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest, sir?
No contest.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. What's the agreement, Mr. Dykes?
Your Honor, the agreement in this case is going to be 75 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time already served, $0 fine plus court costs, time and money to run concurrent. And we ask that the judgment be fully satisfied.
Mr. Lopez, is that your agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
And does he have a hold on him? He's been in a long time. Does he have any holds?
Judge, he had a felony that was pending that got dismissed on the 3rd, so he should be clear.
All right. Then, Mr. Cortez, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. Your judgment's going to be satisfied on this case. Therefore, if you cannot appeal my decision, but it sounds like you have no other holds, you should be released today or tomorrow.
Okay, sounds
Good
great.
luck, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye, Mr. Lopez.
Thank
Have a good
you.
morning.
Thank you, Ms. Lopez.
Yes, sir.
All right, Judge. Mr. Dykes, for Ms. Portillo on Gabriel Escobedo, which case are we going on? I need to bring up that paperwork on Escobedo. He's got 3 cases.
Well,
Are we
Your
going
Honor,
on?
when I spoke to Ms. Portillo, she indicated to me that she had some issues with some evidence. And so she had indicated to me that her client was not going to be pleading today.
Okay. All right then.
Oh, okay, wait, I'm sorry. It looks like I did get an email from her.
This guy was on the internet with Jeremy.
I might need to talk to her if she's available, because when I spoke to her, I thought that her guy wasn't going to plead.
Okay, well, why don't you go back to room 4 and I'm going to tell her to go to room 4.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Alex, they want him on 2. They want that guy on 2. Who do you need up here, Judge?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
Thanks. Terry, are you still here? There you are. Terry, did
Go ahead, Judge.
Isaac Dennis, he didn't plead?
Isaac Dennis, let me find, oh, Isaac Dennis. No, that's reset for Thursday. 1 week, Judge Ryan Arnett.
Thank you.
Reset 1 week. And then Deidre is here. Hernandez, she's the last person I was waiting to log in, Judge. So she's back. And I think you put Miss Portillo in 4, right, Judge? Okay. Okay, there she is. All right, very good.
I gave up my control, so I don't have any
All
right.
right, Judge, that's fine. Yeah, she's in 4. Perfect.
Sorry. Okay, I got different information. So you should talk to him first. Yeah, I need to talk to him. Okay, all right. Okay.
And he sent me all the dismissals so far, so we're good.
All right, Judge, perfect.
punishment suches and situations. Para something.
Terry, did Mr. Dykes tell you who's coming next week already?
Yes, Judge Audrey Blakely. And I think, Mona and Alex Valverde, you got my email for that, right?
Yes, Terry, I did. Did you send Friday's docket out?
Who's?
I got Mondays, but I didn't get Fridays.
You didn't get Friday's docket?
No, I don't know why.
No, Friday, we're off Friday, woman.
We're off tomorrow.
We're off.
This
It
is
should be
Friday.
Monday.
Today is Friday.
Today's our Friday. I'm all confused. Oh my God.
No,
Because I did that to you yesterday.
I know.
Yeah,
It
don't
doesn't
come
take
tomorrow.
much
I
to
got your
confuse
email.
me.
I got your email, Terry.
Got it. You guys should have gotten Monday's docket already.
Yes.
Yes, I got Mondays and I got the other one. Yes, ma'am.
And real quick, since we're having a little break, let me tell you who the judges are going to be for the month of December. You guys ready?
Yes, let me get it.
Find your calendar.
Yes, ma'am.
Good Lord.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready? Ready, Mona?
Yes.
The week of the 4th is going to be of December is going to be O'Connell. The week of the 11th is O'Connell. The week of the 18th is Canales. And the week of the 25th, I think we're off the 25th only. Am I right, Alex Valverde?
That's right. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Canales that week. And that's all I have so far. Ms. Portillo, what's going on?
Hello, we have JSAT offer. The client is accepting, but I haven't been able to do paperwork with him because he got taken away. So I'm not sure if the jail brought him back.
Yeah, Ramirez, Alex,
I'll put it back.
you put him
I
back
guess-
in, put him back in one, and which
Something
paperwork?
happened with, well, time out. Something happened with the situation. I guess
No,
he found music, so Ray kicked him off. So I'm gonna put him in another one. So put him in 3.
We'll put him in 3, got it? Ms. Portillo, I'll put you in 3, but which paperwork are we going on, Ms. Portillo?
Yes, we're gonna do 720-158 and 720-159,
Okay,
and the cause number ending in 60 will be TIC.
TIC, we're going on 2 cases. I'm putting you in 3.
Thank you.
And next week we have Judge Canales, right, Terry?
I'm sorry, Valverde, what's going on?
Next week we have Judge Canales
Let's see.
on Monday.
Let's see, the week of the 9th, the
Week
week
of
of
the
the 13th is Canales, the week of the 13th, O'Connell, the week of the 20th. And the week of the 27th is Canales. So Canales, O'Connell, Canales.
Okay.
So that's for November.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down, man.
Want to get some water? Okay.
Yeah.
So there's no paperwork for your client.
And we're busy Monday, Terry. We're gonna make up for being off Friday.
Are we off November 25th also? Is that what I heard you say, Terry?
We are off November the 10th, and we're off November the 23rd and 24th. And then for December, we're only off the 25th of December. That's it.
All right. I'm looking on my phone and it's on the 2024 calendar. That's why I'm like, I'm all messed
Yeah,
up.
yeah, no calendars yet. They haven't told me we
I
got our
know.
calendars yet, so.
No, but I'm looking at 2024. Okay, now I have it.
Yeah, you got it? Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
The other DA never showed up, Mr. Dykes.
Well, Your Honor, it looks like the defense counsel on that motion to for speedy trial, it looks like they're held up in another court. So
okay.
I've had that other DA sitting next to me this whole time, and I just actually sent him down to County Court 5 to go help out down there. So we'll see. Your Honor? There is no jail court tomorrow, right?
Correct.
Okay.
You don't even have to come to work.
Oh, great. I wasn't planning on it, even if I had to.
Alex, no, the other Alex.
Yes, ma'am.
On in the MTR we did on Skameka.
Yes, ma'am.
You told me number 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Doing the paperwork. I want to make sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Terry,
Yes, Alex.
can you go to 3 and see if that attorney's ready yet?
Okay, I'm going.
So Adrian, where is it too?
So, Mr. Dykes, I've gotten all the dismissals, and I know we're not there yet, but it looks like, except for, well, when we do it, Gabriel Escobedo. I know we haven't done anything on it yet.
Put Escobedo back in 3, please.
She ready?
Yeah, she's ready. Since you need to bring up.
Oh, I got him. I was waiting for her.
Yeah, she's ready. She already did a great work.
I thought I already agreed to this. I was supposed to go to court Monday. So I said to go to court.
Town council, you just go to one, you go to two.
I will be right back, Terry.
Gotcha, okay, that's what I was. Thank you, sir. Right, I get what you're saying.
That's it.
He was in the. That's in turn to the.
That's 5427. There was movement, 5427.
That's on that's in that's. So we start telling them. And the guy without two comments.
Okay, so. Terry,
Go ahead, Alex.
is Aguilar done? Jesse Aguilar?
Jesse Aguilar, yes, got 22 days JSAT,
All right,
done.
thanks.
Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
Hi, Judge, may I talk to one of the prosecutors?
Yes, I'll put you, or, oh, they'll put you in 4, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
For it being so busy, it's only 10:08.
I know, good timing.
Great timing, Judge.
Good work, everyone.
Hey, Y'all, I was just in with my client filling out paperwork, but I got moved to the prosecutor's breakout room. Can I go back in with my client?
Of course.
You were in room
Thank
3. We'll move you back to 3.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, I'm gonna let all the attorneys of the day in and pre-trial, so they won't take off on me, Judge. They want to leave to somewhere else. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Can I
Let's
let
do
them
it.
in? Okay.
Yes. And in fact,
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Valverde, if you, or Terry.
Yes,
y'all-
Judge.
You can take us off the internet as well.
You mean off of YouTube, Judge?
Yes.
Let's see if I can do that. I don't know if I can do that.